Hello everybody, welcome to an Affinity tutorial on how to create a neon text on wall. This is me from mecreative.nl. Yeah, let's begin. This is from a long way back that I made this, so I kind of nervous to see what it becomes, but oh well. I pulled out. I made a new layer that's found here. Now I need the fill tool, I believe. Yes, okay. Okay, first we're gonna do it, set it to radial. This is kind of weird, but whatever. Okay. First, this one is going to be white. And this one is going to be black. Okay. I wanna adjust it a bit. Is this radial? Elliptical, sorry. I needed elliptical. Okay. First, this one is gonna be black. Wrong one. That's what I want. Okay. And now adjust it a little bit. Okay. Now we're gonna make a new layer. I hope I remember this correct. New layer, and I want to fill that all the way with this green. Okay. What did I do next? um, yeah, I'm looking through the settings. I think this is the best one. And now it doesn't work anymore. That's weird. Oh, wait. I have to do this. Let's see, what's the most neon-like? I think this is it. You can set it by selecting hard light in the drop-down menu. This is the first layer, that's the brick. The second layer is the shape. And the third layer is a pixel layer that makes it green. Okay, now for the text, I couldn't find any text that made me go yippee. So I'll just have to model on neon text. And then Control A. And then we're going to, I set this to 900 the last time. Okay. Now for the text, Nope. First of all, I'm going to do this completely with FX. No, I'm first gonna look for a good. Yeah, this is the only one I had that sort of looks like that. Okay. What I'm gonna do now is set that there. Then go to FX. Then color overlay. I'm also going to make that green. Now the outline I'm gonna do black. And the radius is gonna be around 30. The blended overlay outer glow. This didn't go so well, but I'm gonna try anyway. The outer glow is that. Opacity 100, radius. I hope that works. Okay. Am I forgetting something? No. Outer shadow. No. Ready to overlay, inner glow. No, that's it. Now you have a neon text wall. Uh, yeah. I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope I taught you something. Um, and I hope to see you next week again. And then it's gonna be a little harder to make. So yeah, till then, please like, comment, share, subscribe. This was me from mecreative.nl, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.